Hey, y'all, it's Nicole from Divine Creations coming back once again with another video on this beautiful Tuesday. All right, so listen, we are going to do another video on another type of dinosaur. So some of you know that last year for Christmas I created this big lavish girl dinosaur gift that I never bagged up and I never put out to sale. So I decided to break it down for Easter and create something else with it. So that's what we're going to work on today is a girl dino video tutorial. So let's get into what we're going to use for this tutorial. So first things first, we got this little dinosaur. This is the old dinosaur. I believe these dinosaur actually came from Barney. I think this is the dinosaur. If not, she's really, really close to that dinosaur. It doesn't have her name on it, but we got this from, I believe we got this from CVS or Walgreens. One of the others on their 80% off clearance for Valentine's Day. Okay. So we're going to use that. She's trying to stay in the camera. We're going to use our light. We need to put some batteries in here. If I don't put batteries in here, I will attach some batteries to the gift, okay? So we're going to use this beautiful bedroom decor light. We also have these cute sets of dinosaurs. We have one of the Tooth Fairy pillows. That's dinosaur print. We also have some dinosaur mush. I do not envy any of the parents that's got to deal with that sticky stuff. Excuse me. We also have one of these color changing cups, tumblers. We have a ink pen. We also have this 4 to 6 age trace and write activity book. I'm going to start at the tail. Oh, this is not the most expensive tape, so once you kind of make an error, it is what it is. Let me tape the feet down. Oh, wow. That slipped right out of my hands, you guys. This probably isn't the best. And this kind of tape. There we go. All right, so we're getting some stability. All right, what are we going to do with her? How are we going to get her to stay up here? Let me figure this out, y'all. Her little tail's going to stick out the bottom and go kitty corner. That's the best way for us. So I'm going to try to take down one leg. And take down the other leg. I think I'm going to tape the tag. And as well to the back. All right, see, we got her in there. She's all set, ready to go. Okay, so it worked out. I know one of the other major things that I want to put in here is this set right here that we want to put in here for sure. So let me get my other items to put around it. We have our Dino mush. They can go there. Just placing items to see where they go. We have our juice cup. That can go there. We have our pillow. That can go there. Now we're going to raise our pillow up just a little bit so they can see that it's a dinosaur. I may raise up, put some tissue paper right here to raise them all up. Actually, I do have this. Let's see if that'll work. Oh, that'll work. It'll push my gift right to the edge. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, that did raise it up a little bit. Not worried about my cup being raised up. And my pillow. There we go. All right, let's do that. Let me take that down. 2 blocks. Okay. Okay. Sorry. We also have a little ink pen that we can put right there with the book. There we go. That works. Okay. Getting it together. The next thing that we want to do is take this price off of here. I'm going to take that to the back. And it's a little pocket right there in the back. So it says, Dino Tooth Fairy, please stop here. Okay. There we go. It's starting to look really cute, isn't it? We can actually put our cup right next to it and still have room for other items. So let's see what we have. We have snacks. Juice. Sorry. Chips. I don't want to cover up our... And again, like I said, we may be putting stuff on the side. There we go. So we're going to tape this down. Okay. There we go. Now we got it straight. It looks like we have just enough room to put the other items in here. A little change purse. Okay. That doesn't work. I have a little rip and a tear on the side, so we're actually going to cover that up with the chips. What was that? What's that? Oh. Thank you. All right, y'all. We have an egg that we can put on here. And I'm just going to set these other snacks right here, you guys. Maybe do a little something right there. Let me tape it down. And hey, let's put our snacks in here. At least that raised it up a little bit. We're going to put an egg in here. Probably right there because I have the chalk that I need to put right in front of it. Okay. That did not go all the way across. Let's try that again. Okay. Okay. We have snacks, these kind of snacks that we're going to use. We have some fruit snacks. M&M's. And we got suckers. Look like we got everything in there, you guys. All right, there we go. There we have it. This is our Girl Dinosaur gift basket. Thank you guys for tuning in to the video. We appreciate you so much and we love you with the love of Jesus. And don't forget, be divine. Bye.